Yeah, good morning. Tom Schaefer, Blossom Installation. So this morning I had a customer stop in with a subwoofer system that has completely stopped playing, and he wanted me to take a look at it. So I opened up the battery compartment in the back of this vehicle and immediately took out my digital voltmeter, checked for voltage on the amplifier side of the fuse, and found that there was only 5 volts coming across. This is obviously a 12 volt electrical system, and we should have 12 volts at this point. So once I saw that we had 5 volts there, I then viewed the fuse, which looks good. So then my next part was to open up the fuse holder. Taking apart the fuse holder, I find out that the fuse does not come out. Looking more closely at it, the fuse holder has actually melted, and the fuse and the assembly parts are actually stuck to the holder. The plexiglass itself has melted. It melted a little bit up on the front side, and you can see that it melted quite a bit on the back side here. So obviously something on this installation of this product was not done properly. The wiring itself and the sizing of it all looks good. The big problem that I see here is one, other than it just being a little bit on, a little bit on the sloppy side, you can see they didn't take the time to cut the wires to the proper length, and that we have exposed wiring on the unfused side of the fuse holder. We do have a little bit of wiring that sticks out on this side of the fuse holder as well when this is threaded up and on in its place, exposing bare wiring. But one of the biggest problems with this electrical installation is on the ground side. The ring terminal and the nut that they used is making almost no connection to the negative terminal. And you can see here, when I grab it, the whole ring terminal is just twisting. So they have all this fancy wire, all this fancy name brand audio gear, and with a poor installation, it still failed. So we're gonna go ahead and repair this for him, get him back up and playing, and go ahead and redo these electrical connections that were not done properly by another shop. All right, take care.